In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view activity in Google Docs. This is really useful if you're collaborating with other people and you want to see who changed what, or if you'd like to go back to an older version of your document. Google Docs keeps a detailed version history behind the scenes, and once you know where to look, it's very easy to use. First, start by opening the Google Doc where you want to review activity. Make sure you're signed into your Google account and that you have permission to edit or at least view the document. If you have it open from your Google Drive, just double-click it as you normally would. Wait for the document to fully load before moving on. Next, look toward the top left corner of the screen where you see the main toolbar. There, you'll find the menu bar with options like File, Edit, View, and so on. Click on the File menu. This is where Google Docs keeps a lot of important tools related to your document, including options for sharing, downloading, and, in this case, checking your version history. Once the File menu is open, move your mouse down and hover over the option called Version History. Don't click yet, just rest your cursor on it. When you hover over Version History, a small side menu will appear. This is Google Docs letting you choose exactly what you want to do with your document's past versions. In that side menu, click on See Version History. This will open a panel on the right-hand side of your screen. In this panel, you'll see a list of past versions of your document, usually grouped by date and time. Each version often shows who edited it, which is especially helpful when you're working with a team. When you select one of the versions from the list, the main document view will update to show how the document looked at that time. Changes are usually highlighted in different colors, with each color representing a different person. This makes it easy to see exactly what was added, removed, or modified, and by whom. If you find a version you prefer, you can choose to restore it, bringing the document back to that state. Don't worry, restoring a version doesn't erase the history. It simply creates a new version on top, so you can always go back again later if you change your mind. And that's how you view activity in Google Docs, using the built-in version history.